OMG. Hi guys, I am so sorry I've not been making a lot of videos lately. It's not that I left YouTube or anything. I was just on a bunch of other channels I made, and I get carried away sometimes and ignore the mess in my room. And so I am like so sorry I have not been making videos lately. I was just like focused on other stuff and school, and yeah, so it just, if I was leaving YouTube, which probably will never happen because I'm addicted to it, I would actually make the announcement first. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and request some bids. And, yeah, just call from the Kawaii phone. So, bye!